Want to know how to add your phone number in Remitly? In future, if you have forgotten your password and if you want two-step verification, adding a phone number is necessary. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply head towards remitly.com and make sure you are logged in. So once you have logged into remitly.com, here you should be provided with this interface right here. And on the top right side, you should be saying welcome. So you can just simply select this drop down box right here. Make sure you are signed in to see it. We have also created a video on how to sign in or sign up, so make sure to watch it. So once you're on the settings, just simply select profile information right here. And now right below address, you should be seeing your phone number. So you can just simply select add your phone number right here. And once that is done, you can just simply choose your country. So you can just simply select this drop down box, search for your country, and then add your phone number as you want. Once that is done, you can just simply select save. So we also have benefit for adding phone number, as you can see right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.